Welcome to the Body, Mind, Spirit Show with me, your host, Coach Rita Hurry. Welcome to another episode of the Body, Mind, Spirit Show with me, your host, Rita Hurry. So I hope you are all doing really well. Today I'm going to be talking about reverse engineering your goals and what that really is for all of you who are curious as to what this reverse engineering is all about. It's basically looking at the big goal that you want to achieve and reverse engineering, working backwards, starting from where you're at and what you can put in place to take the steps to achieve that goal. So it's putting in a plan, it's putting in place those actions that you need to take to achieve that goal. That's the whole ethos behind reverse engineering, because we all can create a goal. We can all say, okay, I want to achieve 100,000 by the end of the year. I want to lose X amount of weight. I want to move to a different country. Whatever that may be, we can all have those goals. And I want to stress here, it is so important to have goals. If you don't have a goal that you are working towards, you don't have a goal that you want to achieve, then motivation, then being productive is going to be difficult for you, because as humans, we naturally have this growth instinct. It's one of our needs. It's one of our human needs. Growth is important. Development is important. And if we're not developing ourselves, if we don't have that goal to work towards, we find that we're just stuck. So it's important for you to have a goal. And if you think to yourself and you're like, I don't know if I have a goal right now, then I would definitely say to you, this needs to be looked at. And a great way to start, and what I do with a lot of my private clients that I work with, if they have found that they don't have a particular goal, is looking at each area of your life and establishing a goal for each area. Health and fitness, money, relationships, career, spiritual life, social life. We all have to have some sort of end goal in mind in order to improve, in order to grow. And as I said earlier, personal growth is so important, and it is one of the 6 human needs. So, going back to reverse engineering, like I said, is pulling those steps in place for you to achieve that goal. So we're going to take one big goal. And what you want to do is look at it and be like, okay, what do I have to do to get to that big goal? What do I need to have achieved to get to that big goal? And that's a good way to start. So say if you want to achieve 100,000 by the end of the year, work backwards. So say 3 months, so 9 months, say, before you achieve that goal. Where do you want to be positioned in terms of financially? 6 months, 3 months, and then where you are now. That will help break it down in terms of quarters. And then what you can do is then look at it in terms of within that 3 months, what do I have to put in place to achieve that 3-month goal. So you've broken that big goal of 100,000 into micro steps in terms of quarterly targets. And now within those quarters, what actions need to happen in order for you to achieve that quarter target? Maybe you'll look at it and say, okay, each month I have to be earning whatever amount it is. So in order for me then, breaking that 3-month quarter into even smaller bite-sized chunks is, okay, each month I need to be earning whatever the amount is. So in 1 month, what do I need to do to get to that monthly target? And when you do that, what you do is you gain the clarity, and you are working, you're bringing your big 12-month goal into the present, and you're working on it now. And that's powerful, because often we make goals and we say, I want to achieve whatever it is by in 12 months time, and we keep it 12 months and we keep it at a distance. Whereas with this reverse engineering, what you're doing is you're bringing it into your present, and you're looking at it and you're saying, okay, what do I have to do in this month to achieve that goal so it brings me closer to that 12-month goal? So you're breaking down the steps. And then within that month, creating those action plans, you're also then looking at, okay, there's 4 weeks in a month. What can I implement each week in that month to hit that target that I'm aiming for in that month? So you're breaking it down even further by weeks. There's 52 weeks in a year. So 52 sets of action plans towards this bigger goal, taking it from being in the future and bringing it into now and working on it now, so you're closer to achieving it in the future. So it doesn't feel so big, but you know that you're working on it now, and each progress that you make, you feel better. So I would definitely say to you, reverse engineering is very powerful when it comes to achieving your goals. Don't set a goal and be like, oh my gosh, how am I going to achieve that? That's so big, it scares me. And often that stops us from doing anything towards our goals. What you're wanting to do by breaking it down into bite-sized chunks and giving yourself targets every month, you're bringing it into the reality already. So it's not just a future vision, but it's a current action plan. And that feels so much better, so much more easier than keeping it ahead of you and just keeping it ahead of you, not making it a part of you. So I hope you adopt this. And if anyone needs support in trying to achieve a 12-month goal, or you feel you struggle with even setting goals and you want to make sure you're on the right track, contact me, email me, info@ritahurry.com. Send me an email. Let's book in a free 30-minute consultation and let's have a chat. Let's see how I can help you. Let's talk about it. Let's break down some things for you. So if you're serious about implementing this and achieving that goal, book that 30-minute call with me and just really start thinking about what it is that you want to achieve. But don't keep it in the future. bring it and make it a part of you, because you can manifest it. Every single day, every single week, you can do something to make it happen. But it starts with you, and it starts today. So until next time, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you real soon. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the show. Stay tuned for more tips, motivation, and of course inspiration coming up real soon.